Hey YouTube, it's Brad back again with more sneaker stuff. Just got this delivery. Let's see if we can do this without dropping it. Let's unbox some stuff. Do this. While I'm doing this, why don't you hit like or subscribe or leave a comment that's not mean. All right, what do we got here? We got a purple box. Put that over there. Y'all seen this before. And we have the Nike SB Zoom Tennis Classic. This is in hyper pink and black. You'll see that. There you go. All right, let's open it up. And receipt. Y'all don't need to see that. Premiere. Same skate shop that I just did the Rosvets on. I've ordered from them a few times. They're out of Michigan, I think. Maybe Grand Rapids. I don't know. They ship super quick. It's Friday here. I don't even remember what day they came out. Doesn't matter. There we go. We got the wood grain paper, like normal. Everybody's seen this before, and there we go. We got pink. This here is this shoe is part of the SB 58 club. My understanding from seeing stuff on YouTube is that there's 58 core skate shops around the country or the world that are part of Club 58. And yeah, this has something to do with, this is kind of inspired by the current football matches that are going on, World Cup stuff. Let's take a look, see what we got here. We'll get rid of the little paper. Look at that. Pink shoes, pink shoelaces. Inside we got tongue straps. I'll see that. Yeah, the elastic in there to keep the tongue straight. Nike SB Tennis Classic tongue tag. Tongue looks like it's ripstop. I'm okay with that. Let's see. Decent material. Sort of a suede-ish, I guess. I don't know. But all black sole. Black swoosh. Yeah, cool. Let's do this here. Grab the other one. Oh, by the way, we got this. Shout out to David Blue Tile. I think he's the one that does this. There you go. Nike sticker. Put that back. Over there with the other one. And other shoe. Yeah, this is kind of slick. I kind of dig this. A little bright. I got a couple of other pink shoes. I'll wear them every now and again. Let's take this out. It's pretty soft, flexible. Like the Rosvets that I posted about the other day. I think these will be good once they get broken in. Yeah, they're kind of slick. No extra laces. That's kind of sad. Oh well. I dig these though. Was able to get them. They released earlier this week at skate shops, so they were able to be grabbed. I believe they launch on sneakers on the 7th. I was going to get them at a local shop, but like I said in the Ross Vet video, Premier Skate Shop emails me. I don't do a lot of other social media. YouTube's really the only platform that I'm on that's meaningful at all. And I only tend to watch long form video. I don't do a lot with shorts. So I don't get notified of a lot. So it's kind of nice to have an email pop in, and I'll check that out. It's because I'm old. No, I just don't like all of the negative bullshit that's on other social media. So it's not worthwhile to me to get on it. But yeah, so here we go. SB Tennis Classic. Let's see, left shoe, heel tab says club. Right shoe, heel tab says 5'8" for that. Can you see that? I don't know, maybe. Yeah, these will be good. These, I don't think they'll be in a regular rotation, but it'll be something that I can wear every now and again when I'm feeling it. The other thing that I ordered, once I ordered those, let's put this over here. Also ordered kind of a matching shirt here. I got this from Nike.com. Way brighter, way brighter than the shoes are. They're supposed to be the same color. That doesn't. The hyper pink shirt, that might be a bit much. I don't know. Not that I mind wearing it. It's just kind of too much attention grabbing. Who knows? It'll all be okay. But there you go. If you got anything else, if you got anything to say, or thumbs up, I don't know, whatever you want to do. You know how YouTube works. That's what I got for right now. All right.